Mountains can be a great source of inspiration. They can remind us of our potential, and they can help us push ourselves and achieve new goals. When we're feeling down, mountains can provide us with a sense of perspective and remind us of all the amazing things we have to be grateful for. Chocolates are one of the most amazing desserts that you can enjoy. They are sweet, delicious, and always leave you wanting more. With their smooth texture and rich flavor, chocolates are the perfect way to end a meal or celebrate a special occasion. Just the thought of having a bird can be so inspiring. They are some of the most amazing creatures on Earth, and just being around them can make you feel happy and uplifted. Birds can teach us so much about life and how to enjoy every moment. They are a reminder to stay positive and hopeful no matter what life throws your way.